Hello to all my friends out there. So I have problems. One, I burned up all my candles and I didn't get more yet. And two, my Wi-Fi is messed up and my son has to fix it. Okay, so I want to encourage you all to stay in the way. Okay, what I'm doing is I am making bags of ice at home because that is thriftier. And then if there is a power outage, at least you'll have some ice for a while. Not only that, this way you'll be less apt to buy it. And then yesterday I made some chamomile tea. Usually I drink about 4 cups in a day, in 2 days, but yesterday I didn't drink any. These little things hold 2 cups. I got this thing at Dollar Tree. So, okay, so you want to stay in the way. What you don't want to do is get all freaked out over the media and, start spending all kinds of money. No, you don't want to do that. That may be the whole point of this nonsense. You just want to you want to have enough. I have to wait for my ice to melt. Whoo-hoo, this is the way, you guys. Yummy, yummy. Stockpile tea. Okay, so yesterday, as you know, I got very full and I was thinking, well, no wonder you did the car video. Would you believe I also gave half of the food away to a street guy? So both of us had a lot of food. So tonight I'm doing another mukbang and I'm having chicken wings and macaroni and cheese. So here's the recipe, and I'm putting this recipe on Twitter and Instagram because this is one of my better ones. I'm still working on the cookbook and nothing is happening. Okay, this is also good for pork chops. Marinade 1 hour for chicken, 2 hours for pork chops. Or the day before is good. Okay, so, the thing is, you want to enjoy life. Okay, so, I want to go back to my sandwiches. So, 99 cents only. And I'm going to have to find more cheese marked down. Cheese can be substituted. I want to go easy on this lunch meal because I'm planning on having a very large dinner tonight. I'm planning on enjoying life for the rest of my life. So I have one piece of cheese, and I will probably put that on my macaroni and cheese I'm making. And then I buy this stuff at Dollar Tree. I like it. This is turkey meat. It's about 20 cents each. So my meat and my cheese was 40 cents. If you buy cheese, good cheese, marked down, it's not much more expensive than cheap cheese, really. Mayonnaise and mustard. This is what I actually like to eat for lunch. I don't like to overdo it at lunch because I've always had a pretty large dinner. So I have sandwich and tea. Also, I want to mention something. You want to prepare for like a power outage before the fact. I did a video, and if you notice, there was no shade on one side of the street, and there was like one tree on the other side of the street. So in most cities, there's not much shade. Remember when I bought this deliciousness yesterday for 50 cents at Walmart? The dessert goes on the top. So I'm not going to be starving out before my I gotta get something. So I have finished the food plan after dinner tonight. Here's yesterday. Gee, I don't know why I was full. Do you? I ate the whole honey bun. One note, this mixed fruit that I had in the video, I'm gonna buy this stuff. This stuff is delicious. Ooh, I have my Swedish fish somewhere, I think. And then, you know, this meal, here's Sunday. And I will post the meal plan on Twitter. All 3 pages of it. Okay, you guys, stay in the cheap way. Don't let the media freak you out. Just make your preparations little by little. And say to yourself, okay, if the problem with the power outage is, if we have hyper heat, like 120 degrees, if that happens, you want to evacuate out of that area into a cooler area. In the day the New Yorkers went to Florida, the ones with money, God knows what happened to the other ones. Or if there's big hurricanes, you want to leave the area. Or if our whole state is annihilated by earthquakes and floods, hopefully I can get out of here. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.